Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Beauty. Guys, happy new year in advance. Today is wash night. Yes, today is crossover to new year. Happy new year everyone in advance. So this new year, we are just few hours to new year, guys. Few hours to new year. I am in my kitchen, doing what I love most. So guys, I'm going to be preparing jollof rice. Yes, so party jollof rice is what I'm going to be making. So I just want to take you guys along. So you guys know today is just all my ingredients. I have my tomatoes here, so I'm going to be preparing for about 20 cups is what I'm going to be making. So I'm going to show you everything I'm going to use step by step. Maybe this video might be too, I don't know, because I would love to prepare the stew first before going to the fried jollof rice. So over here are my things for the jollof rice. Over here I have tomatoes. I have 2.5 kg of tomatoes here. I have about 4 onions and 4 red bell pepper here, 2 garlic, ginger. I have some scotch bonnet pepper and tomato puree. And over here I have my all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, curry and thyme in there. So guys, we are just going to start by washing our red bell pepper and cutting everything together. I'm so super excited, guys, super excited, because we are just few hours away for this year. Let me say, for this headache year to roll away. Blending my tomatoes now. So I just place it on the gas. So what I'm going to do now is to add all my seasoning into it. I have all-purpose seasoning there. I have curry, thyme, and so I'm just going to allow it to simmer. I'm going to mix it, then allow it to simmer. Guys, our tomato have totally cooled down, so what we are going to do now is to fry the tomatoes. So I'm just going to be adding in my onions. I have some oil in there. And I'm going to be adding my tomato paste. Guys, this is it after about 7 minutes. So what I'm going to do now is to add our tomatoes. So these are our tomatoes. I'm just going to be adding it. guys, we are going to start to mix our jollof rice. This part is very, very important. So I'm just going, I already added some rice there. So I'm going to be mixing about 15 cups at the moment. So I'm just going to add it. Guys, I'm going to be adding some butter into it. So it was just too much. I have to, share it into two. That is why you guys are seeing it into two pots. So I'm going to make sure that the butter, is okay for. Guys, our jollof rice is ready. Yeah. So we have two pots of jollof rice here. This is the first pot, and why over here is the second pot. It looks so delicious, so yummy. And if you know you are hungry, hurry. My address is at the description box below, so we can work it together. I really appreciate every one of you for coming to watch my video over and over again. Thank you all so much, and I will be offing the live screen. I'll see you guys on my next video, and don't forget to share. Remember guys, sharing is caring. Share. Very simple to make. When you follow my steps, so the preparation I made was just for 20 cups. So this is 15 cups you are seeing over here. So I kept the remaining one for my other 5 cups, which is very simple to put together. Thank you all.